Okay, greetings and salutations, everybody. So, earlier today on YouTube, I went live and I was talking about a situation that the Pixel 6 had. That situation being that it was stuck on Android 12L beta. And so, here I'm just showing you guys what I had to go through to actually fix that. And I was able to find a fix, and it's pretty simple. You're literally going to use the Android Flash tool to just flash the factory image back onto the phone. Um, since trying to do it the normal way, which is to go to the website and opt out of the beta program, um, when you would over the air download the system update to revert you back to stock Android 12, it would fail. So, like I said, using the Android Flash tool, I was able to revert it back to Android 12, the stock version, so it's not on beta anymore. Now, to do this, you would have to turn on USB debugging. You would have to unlock the bootloader. You can find various different tutorials on how to unlock the bootloader on a Pixel 6. It's really not that hard. Technically, you're just going to need the Google drivers installed on your Windows laptop, or the drivers installed for your Mac, whichever you use, and ADB, which is an Android device bridge. And you're gonna do an OEM unlock the bootloader basically. Have USB debugging on, and then you're gonna use the Android Flash tool, which is really cool because the website itself is set up to where all the ADB scripts are not manual, they're automatically done through the website. So you don't need to type in anything. All you really have to do is just make sure you have those two things done: the bootloader unlocked, USB debugging on, and you just let the program run and do its thing. Pretty much, it's a flash tool. And it worked. Throughout here, you'll see the adventures that I had getting it back to Android 12 with the March security update. So it's on the most recent version of Android now. It is fixed. It is running. It is doing just fine. So if you find yourself in this predicament, this would be the best way to fix your device. So then that way you can get it back to stock Android and out of Android beta. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.